theater arts performance program at George Brown is designed to help you become a versatile working actor ready for the stage, television, and film. Our conservatory-based training combines classical techniques with contemporary performance skills. You'll build a strong foundation through voice, speech, movement, music, and dance, while also exploring improvisation, storytelling, stage combat, and more. Through our partnership with Soul Pepper Theatre Company at the Young Centre for the Performing Arts, you'll immerse yourself in Toronto's thriving theatre community and graduate ready to make your mark on the stage and screen.
Before coming to George Brown, I studied environmental biology at Queen's University, but I always knew acting was my passion. This program has pushed me to grow in every direction. It's not just about learning lines or playing a role. It's about pushing boundaries, connecting with your scene partners, and trusting your instincts. The training here has given me the confidence and craft to step into the spotlight.
At George Brown Theatre School, we don't just teach performance, we help you discover the artist within. Join us and bring your story to life.